Welcome to MatrixMechanic channel. Today in units and measurement we are going to see a problem. We are going to solve this problem within 10 seconds. Okay. Now before entering into this problem we should know about this recap. Now see this one, this formula you should know. So when you have to use this formula is to obtaining the relative error, or otherwise you want to obtain the percentage error, you have to use this formula, right? Now see this one, a to the power m, b to the power n, c to the power p, d to the power q. So it be raised to some power. Then how we will write the relative error for this expression is, the formula here is del z by z equal to m times of the relative error of a and n times of relative error of b and p times of relative error of c and q times of relative error of d. Now see this question, the density of a cube, okay, we are going to measure the density of a cube, okay. So cube means we know very well all the sides are equal, right, by measuring its mass and length, okay. I want to obtain the density of the cube in terms of mass and length, but we know the formula for density, that is equal to mass by volume. So mass is m, okay, and here the length is given. We know that when length is given, how to obtain the volume of the cube? Volume of a cube is nothing but we can write it as L cube or A cube. If the side is A cube, the length is L, it also what? L cube, okay. Now the maximum error in the measurement of mass and length are 3% and 2%. They have given the error in mass is 3%, error in length is 2%. Then the maximum error in the measurement of density would be, okay. So we have to calculate the maximum error in the measurement of density. So d is equal to m by L cube. So d can be written as del d by d, okay. I am going to write the expression that is equal to del m by m plus, even though if it is in division, with the help of this formula we have to write, so 3 into del L by L. So the error of mass is 3% plus 3 into the error in length is 2%, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 3 will be 9%. So the answer is 9%. I forgot to put this one, the fourth option. 9% is our answer, okay. Have you understood this video? So likewise we will see some more problems and some more tips, tricks and shortcut method in our NEET and as well as IIT JEE Physics, okay. Kindly subscribe the channel and also share the channel to your friends also, okay. Thank you.